Hey, what's up? It's Charlie from Windows Unlocked, and this is our first video. I own this channel with my friend Alfie, and I'm gonna make normally FL Studio tutorials, and Alfie, he's gonna make kind of tips and tricks and stuff on Windows. So yeah, hoping it's gonna be pretty awesome. So today in our first tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a white noise sweep effect in FL Studio. So this is kind of a noise that uprises from a lower frequency to a higher one and then goes back down again. So yeah, I'll just show you how to make it. So go into your channels, go and add one, go to 3 times oscillator. This is good for making bass sounds, I suppose, but you're just going to put all of these to the squiggly line, so it makes that noise. Now you're going to go into piano roll, and you're going to make a note that is 1 bar long. Now you're just going to make about 8 bars of it. Okay. Now you're gonna click on it again. Gonna go on this drop down menu and go on assign free mixer channel. Now you're gonna go on the preset Fruity Free Filter. Turn the frequency down to something like 120 to 130. Now you're gonna create an automation clip. Now, if you want this to just go up and then stop, you can just drag this up to the top here. Or if you want it to go up, then go back down, then find the middle and just right click. So then it'll sound like this. So I'll just show you an example. If you want to just go away from the video now, then that's fine, but I'll just show you an example of how it sounds. So I'll just speed up this video while I make a kind of bass drop sort of thing where this happens. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm finished now. So this is what it would sound like. So if you saw, I removed the bass from this kick drum, and I added bass to this one, and put a snare drum with it. So anyway, I hope this video helped you, and hope it worked for you as well. So yeah, see you in the next video.